Hello again, Dan. Talking about Hoover's vacuum cleaners the other week, and said I was looking for one, didn't I? And remember you said get them at the warehouse and that, and I was going to have a look there too. But I've just got back from the tip round the corner, just dumping some rubbish for Beryl next door there, and some garden clippings and that. And on the way out, saw a few of these sitting there, so I just looked for the flash one, which was this one, and grabbed it, cleaned the filters out and stuff before I tried it. And anyway, it's good too, because it's got a bag. You can just take that off and empty, and you don't have to keep buying bags and stuff. But there. So that's that.